Hello everyone, I hope you're doing good. Welcome back to Kai Academy. My name is Sevinch, and if you guys are new here, please subscribe. Before we start, let me tell you about myself a bit. I prepare these tutorials on digital world each day, and I try to focus on new content with each video. If you have any problems or questions, just write them in the comments below. I regularly check them and I'll answer them back, or maybe make a video to answer your question or solve your problem. If you have any mobile apps or websites for me to check, just share that in the comments below and I'll be glad to review. My channel is growing now with your support, and thanks for that. And for sponsorships, you could contact me via email you'll see below. And now let's get started. Today I'm going to talk about an app called Pinterest Lifestyle Ideas. You can see that on the screen right now. And this app, actually, I often use it and I love this one, so I wanted to just introduce this app to you. So let's start with this one. Pinterest is, if you're looking for inspiration, you are in the right place. And whether you're designing a home or searching for travel ideas, find guides, tips and tricks on Pinterest. And you can just see there on the screen, it has 4.7 stars out of 5. And if you're just above 12 years old, you can use this app. And I'll just show you the preview here. And Pinterest is compatible with iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch, Android, and it has a website as well. And the developer is Pinterest again. And it's completely free. There aren't in-app purchases. And you can discover new possibilities for every part of your life, from what haircut to get to what to cook for dinner. And you can create extra storage space in your home, turn an old t-shirt into a stylish dress, build a do-it-yourself dog bed, or pack for your next holiday with Pinterest. So you have so many choices, you can get so many ideas from here. And to download it, of course, you just go to the App Store. Or if you use Android, go to the Play Store, and from there just you need to tap get, or if you download it before, tap open. And we are here now. And so from there, we are on the home screen right now. So you can just see so many different photos according to your likes and your interests. So that's really cool. And as you can see, it's visually appealing. That has a very good layout. And 3 reasons to just start saving ideas. You can discover everyday inspiration and explore articles on trending and recommended topics. And you can collaborate with friends for your next group trip, party, or project. And you can just get so many ideas from here, from this app. And you can see an idea out in the word that you like, and just snap a photo of it with Pinterest lens to find how to buy, make, or do it. And you can search by taking a picture of your surroundings or get inspired from anywhere on the internet. And you can say what you find, organize by theme, and share with others. And you can get ideas for the topics you care about most, like home design, architecture, travel and fitness tips, wedding inspiration, food and cooking, and fashion and style. So there are so many topics you can choose from. And you can see the layout here, the design of this app. So at first, just look at the home screen. So according to your interest, they just show you the different videos or just different photos from here. Also, you can just tap search button, and from there you can just see the popular ones on interest, or you can just search the things that you're interested in. For example, traveling, I want to search. So you'll just see so many things there, so many videos, so many ideas. so many photos there. And for example, you loved this one, I loved this photo, and it will just give you so much more, like so many more ideas from here according to my likes and according to my interests. So that's really good to get more ideas. And also you can see your notifications, and you can share ideas with your friends. And also you can just see that at the bottom of the screen, saved one. So these ones are the saved. I saved these pins for different ideas, so you can just look at these ones from here. That's really easy to use, and I'm pretty sure that you're just gonna like the design and everything, all the ideas that's just, you know, shared here on the app. And the other thing is, I can just say that you can just, you know, design your life with your Pinterest. The other thing is, Pinterest is a social scrapbooking site, and you can create boards that have a theme. I can just show it from there. Like, you know, I just created boards according to the themes, like travel, tattoos, or recipes. And from there I can just show you candles, photography, cozy apartments. So I just arrange it according to my interest. And also you can just collect images from the web, or images that you upload to the site or via your smartphone's camera. All boards are public, but if you create a board, you can make it private. Of course, you have this option. And you can follow other users and the boards they collect. Your home screen shows new pins that you or people you follow have added. And the site separates content by theme, so that you can always search or browse images that relate to your interest at the moment. So it just helps you with all these ideas. But there are some differences. These are the pins here that I added, so you can just see from there. That's really good. Like the design, I really love the design of this app. But there are some differences between website and app. For example, you can't change the cover of a board from the app, which is something you can do in the web version. And you can't rearrange the order of pins on a board and app and on the website too. Pressing the add button gives you the option to take a photo on the spot to upload, or open a built-in browser to find your next pin online. And so maybe we can just, you know, talk about the pros and cons of this app. What are the pros and what are the cons of this app? Pros, exactly, you can just see it from there. It's easy to use. It's easy to drive traffic. It's perfect for visual brands. It's an excellent place for people who are looking for and comparing products. And it has higher conversion rate than other social media platforms. And you have the option of following the board or following the user. And it's free to see success. You can get huge amounts of repins and traffic without spending a penny on the site. So I think that's a good feature. But when we look at the cons, it's very time consuming. Even with a scheduler system, creating strong optimized content for Pinterest can be incredibly time consuming. So I think that's a big problem. And the other thing is that, like, there have been some Pinterest copyright issues. So it's best to be aware of them so that you don't face any problems in the future. Also, unfortunately, Pinterest doesn't cater to the business interest just yet, but things may change it just in the future. So we'll just see what happens in the future. So I think about Pinterest, that's it for now. And I'm ending the video right now. Thanks for watching. The quickest way to support this channel is to click on the subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up if you liked the video or leave a comment below, and feel free to share with your friends or anyone you think would enjoy this content, and I'll talk to you all very soon. Bye.